Hi everyone, welcome again to Design and Code for Compliments of the Season of. Today we'll be looking at React, but what we'll be looking at today fully is Vite, creating a React app using Vite. So one thing about Vite is that Vite is very fast when you're using it to create a React app. So first thing we'll do is to launch our terminal. So on this terminal, I can do yarn create Vite. So this creates. So now telling us to input our project name. So what I'll do is I'll just say Vite underscore React. So that's our project name, and it tells me which type I want to use. So I'm selecting React. So telling us to check which of the ones we'll be making use of, either JavaScript or TypeScript. So I'll be sticking with JavaScript for now. So now we're done creating the React app. So now we'll seed into the folder underscore React. So we'll seed into the folder. Then we'll do yarn run, no, yarn install. So install the node module we need to make use of. So this should take up to 2 minutes for it to get installed. So let us wait for a couple of minutes to install the module. So it all depends on your network also to know how fast it's going to install the module. So yes, we're done with that. And you can see we have our node module there. So all we'll do now is to start the project. So we'll say yarn run dev to start development section. So now we have three options. Either open it on local. We can also use the host to open it. Also using our phone or other source we have to open this. So I'll be sticking with this locally. So what I'll just do is hold on control and click on it so it launches on my browser. So you can see it is already created. So let's just make some few changes. So I just open the source folder, go to app.jsx, then I take off this. I don't need this for now. I also just want to just say H1. Can I say hello world? So we can see immediately our changes takes effect. So that's how you can create your React app using Vite. Very fast. Okay? So let's just do some few setup. Let's just say const big thing. Let's say count and set count equals to use state. So I'll be sticking with 0 as a count here. So what I'll do is I'll create a button, I'll say increase. So duplicate this, then I'll say decrease. So just want to do just a fast setup. So I'll just say, okay, in the middle of this, let me just say, I say paragraph, then we'll pass in our counts here. So initially our account will start from 0. Yes, we have our account as 0, then we have the decrease and increase button. So all I'll do is just to set this. I'll say on click. So I'll pass in and pass that. Then I'll say set count. So I'll also pass count plus 1. So this is not the best way to increase your count when you intend doing something this way. So just say minus. So let's check it out. So I increase and I decrease. So that is just how to set up your React project. See you next time. Thank you for now. Bye. And also remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye for now.